All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol VPOR, currently at 0046 right now. Like I said, the last time was going to be on the first, which would have been right here, and it's spinning top up there outside that upper Bollinger Band. I said pulling back for a day or so outside upper Bollinger Band, support at 0035. And I put a question mark where you get down there. No, you didn't quite get down there, but you got down to 0014. People would have called me nuts if they told me that I was going to get down that low. But hey, when you're up there, like I said, I felt that I was going to pull back into the upper Bollinger Band, and sure enough, it did. That being said, this is what we're going to be watching for. I would watch for 0045 to hold. I still think that it's a possibility of hitting 0035. I said that before. I'm going to say that now. But things are starting to change, though. It might not go down that low. It might go sideways here for a day or so and continue to bounce off of here. So I'm going to be watching for the buying pressure is picking up. The volume has dropped off. You're going to need more volume here, in my opinion. That's what we're going to hold it at. And I'm going to go ahead and put that contingent on the volume. 0.0046, and I'll hand it off to Joe.
I see. I don't see any recent updates from the company since the last time I went over it. So, as always, if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to go over onto the VPOR message board on Investors Hangout and share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded daily investors that are using the site. And if you're interested in researching more on the company, feel free to go into the filings, the financials, the buy rating, the recent news, time and sales, company profile, all right there at your fingertips. And that's pretty much it, David.
All right, so again, 0046 might go sideways for a few days. If volume does not pick up, it could tap 0035. Watch for a bounce off of 004. All right, and let me go ahead and make sure I got everything else here. I don't really foresee you guys going past 35. I'd at least hope not, honestly. So again, 0046 might go sideways for a few days. If volume does not pick up, it could tap 0035. Watch for a bounce off to 0045. Let me see where we put the resistance levels before. They're going to be up there. Not too high, though. I mean, you're going to have a small... let me go ahead and put that right here. Resistance, not going to be too big. Really too big of a deal. But we'll say around the 4.6 area, which is where you're at right now. 4.6. I mean, then after that, I really think that you probably come up to 5.5 pretty quick. So we'll go 0055. So that's what I'm going to be watching for with this. I'm going to go over it just one more time to make sure because I've added to it. Might go sideways for a few days if volume does not pick up. Could tap 0035. Watch for a bounce off 004. Resistance at 4.6 and 5.5. And you guys might say, well, what do you mean it's at 0046? Why am I watching for a bounce off to 004? I completely get that. That's a question that I would personally ask also. If I wasn't too familiar with what I was looking at, you guys already tapped at 004. Okay, you guys are already right down there. You came down to it. You see that level back here from 2.3. You came up to it, and now that became it right here, but it's bouncing off of that. That's what I'd be watching for. Like I said, there's a very good chance that it might close around 004. All right. I mean, obviously it's pulling back right now a little bit, but the pressure, you know, the volume needs to pick up. And that is it. So we're going to be watching for with this one. As always, if you feel that this video has helped you in any way, make sure you hit that subscribe and like button. I want to give a shout out to all the people that watch VPOR and then has watched our previous videos. I want to give that shout out to you guys for making that such a success in our last video that me and Joe went over with so many views and likes. I mean, truthfully, I mean, not necessarily every time that we go through these stocks, we're telling you exactly what you want to hear. We don't do that. All right. We're trying to give you the information so you're more knowledgeable in what you're looking for. And even though it's not the right thing, you know, the thing that you necessarily want to hear at the time, but if it helps you in the long run, it will. In the last video, unfortunately, I said it was going to pull back, and it did. It dropped down a lot. But we still got a lot of great response from that video. Was it from calling it accurately? I don't know. Maybe it was very possible. But like I said, I want to give you guys a shout out and personally thank you guys for sharing that video as much as you did. That being said, VPOR, again, if this video helped you, hit that subscribe and like. If you have another one that you're following besides VPOR, head over to investorshangout.com/live during our live shows and let us know about the hot stock that you guys are watching. Be sure to take your hot stock and add it to the list. If you have any updates on this company you would like to share, as far as where it's trading at, if I don't cover it again within the next few days for the chart analysis, be sure you leave a comment below.